Hello everyone! This time I will share tips on how to create icons and upload them to the Adobe stock website. How does the process work? Follow along until the end. First, we need to set up the document. Here, we change the parameters to pixel and set it to 2 for px by 2 for px. Don't forget to set the scale to 1. Next, we create the grid. We make a rectangular grid. For the parameters, we set it to pixels, leave the X and Y space at 1, and change the major to 1. Then create a second grid. Here, change the origin X and Y to 0.5 and the major to 1. Check the show dot option. The snap setting can be active or inactive, it doesn't matter. Here, we'll create the guides. There will be 3 boxes with different functions. Follow the instructions carefully. In the middle, create vertical, horizontal, and diagonal lines using the line tool. Select all of them, go to the Object tab, and choose Object to Guide, and boom, there you go. Go to Document Properties and lock the guides. I have prepared a sketch beforehand, and we will start importing it. This is an important part to explain, so I will use a 1-pixel stroke for this icon. Let's start creating the browser icon. I will speed up the next icon process because the mechanism is the same as the first icon. Okay, let's continue by creating a square object for the icon background. Then create a new document and create a square object measuring 5,000 by 5,000 pixels. Next, copy all the icons and move them to the new document we created. Check whether all the strokes have become objects. Then save it as an EPS file. Now for the final step, go to the Adobe Stock website, click the Upload button, and fill in the description. Submit the file and check the box, then fill in the capture and click Submit. Done. Wait for the moderation process to complete. Don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, and see you in the next tutorial.